So this is the solution to the Pythagorean Theorem introductory activity. And what you should have gotten, if you had done your drawings accurately, is for the first triangle, when you draw a vertical line of 3 centimeters and a horizontal line of 4 centimeters, what you should have gotten is a hypotenuse of 5 centimeters. And when we square those, what you should note, well, you'll end up with 9 for 3 squared and 16 for 4 squared. And when you square 5 centimeters, you get a solution of 25. So now we want to start looking for patterns within the table. The next one, 5 centimeters for the vertical line and 12 centimeters for the horizontal line, the answer you should have gotten was 13 centimeters. And if we square A and B, then we should get 5 squared is 25, 12 squared is 144. And if we take 13 squared, then we end up with 169. Next, if we have a vertical line of 8 centimeters, horizontal line of 15 centimeters, the hypotenuse of that triangle should be 17 centimeters. And 8 squared is 64, 15 squared is 225, and we end up with 17 squared is 289. Now, in the next one, we have 20 centimeters, 21 centimeters, and the third side of the triangle should be 29 centimeters. And when we square those values, we get 20 squared is 400, 21 squared is 441, and 29 squared is 841. Now, let's start taking a look at these numbers. And we should start to see a pattern between the blue numbers for the hypotenuse squared and the sum of a squared and b squared. And what you should start to notice is that 9 plus 16 is 25, 25 plus 144 is 169, 64 plus 225 is 289, 400 plus 441 is 844. So now, just to check to see if this pattern holds, if we have a triangle with a vertical line of 6 centimeters, horizontal line of 8 centimeters, the hypotenuse comes out to be 10 centimeters. And when we square the two sides A and B, we get 36 and 64. And if we square 10, we get 100. And if you notice, 36 plus 64 is 100. And lastly, if we have a vertical line of 10, a horizontal line of 24, we get 26 as our hypotenuse. And 10 squared is 100, 24 is 576 when you square it. And when you square 26, you get 676. And it's easy to see then that 100 plus 576 is 676.